This upgrade will require a new cable. The part number is on the screen. And this is the screen that we will be using. First, disconnect the battery. Then we're going to plug in the cable into the new screen. Use the pull bar to help lock the cable into place, and then push it down to lock that into place. Connect the cable to the motherboard and plug in the battery. We're going to do a quick test to make sure the screen works. And the screen works. Disable the battery again in the BIOS. Unplug the battery and disconnect the screen. We're going to put the screen into the back cover. We're going to put 2 pieces of 2-sided adhesive tape in these corners and push the screen in. We're going to route the cable through these grooves. I'm going to match this with the other side. Just route the cable underneath the hinge and screw it in. The bezel will require 2-sided adhesive tapes as well. We're going to put them on all 4 sides. Then remove the protective film. These ridges go into the bottom first. Line it up and push it in. These little corner grooves go underneath the hinge. Then we're just going to push down on the clips all around the screen. The adhesives will make contact with the screen, and then you should see no major gaps in between the screen and the bezel. I lost footage of the hinge reattachment, but it's pretty straightforward. You line up the 2 red circles to keep it in place, and the screws go into the 2 green circles. And connect the antennas to the Wi-Fi card. The gray one goes on the side closest to the screw, and the black will go furthest away from the screw. The cable routes through here like that. And then we want to stick these cables into these cable management. I'm going to plug in the LCD cable, use the bar to pull it to the right to lock it in, and then after we will push the bar down to lock that into place. Make sure the cable's into the loop. Do the same on the other side. And put in this last cable connector. Then we're going to reconnect the battery. And put the cover back on.